Hello, YouTube friends. There's not going to be a video today. Maybe not tomorrow because I'm working with day 10 of being congested and sneezing. I was trying to let my body do its thing, work its magic. It's not going away. As I said, it's on day 10. Stopped at Walmart today and got some medicine because it's just not going away. So I've been miserable. I've been just working and then coming home, showering, and laying down in bed because I don't feel good. So I haven't had time this week to edit any videos for you guys, and I'm sorry. There will be more coming, just not today because I'm a mess here. So, but I love you today. Happy hump day, and go out and seize the day and kick its ass. Bye, guys. Good morning. Am I gonna sneeze again? Just waiting till this is done. Oh, man. Okay, are you ready to start this vlog? Okay, let's start the vlog now. Wow. Woo. Thank you. I've been sneezing. I've been sneezing. Hold on. I've been sneezing since I've been trying to start this vlog. Every time I try to start this vlog, I sneeze. Okay. There you have it. Oh. Good morning. I think I'm done, maybe. Am I done? Okay. Let's start this vlog. Good morning. Okay, let's stop it. These sneezes are only in the morning. I think I'm done. Maybe. Okay. That is my morning sneezes of the morning. That happen every single morning, pretty much. Then I'm fine the rest of the day, so I don't know what this is. Good morning! I woke up this morning and I am exhausted. Like, the whole week I've been exhausted. It started with Sunday night. Sunday night was like severe thunderstorms. And bless me. Anyhow, Sunday night was severe thunderstorms, so it was bad. Am I done now? What is happening? I keep sneezing. Are we done? Oh my god! What is happening? Okay. Let's get on with it. Maybe I'm done. Holy cripe. Okay, now can we start? Okay, maybe? Okay, let's start the vlog now. Good morning. I love the little sneeze today. So yesterday we went on a date, which was amazing. Am I done? Okay. Take 5. Nope, not done. Just trying to vlog here. I'm just trying to vlog. Are you gonna be done now? Let's wait for it.